Very nice. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tatamaan ako ng sunrise, sunrise. How are you, my plants? What's this? My was pink acer. She's driving. Ganda niya dito. I transferred her here kasi flowering dito. This line flowering. Natatakpan siya ng fence kaya maganda ang tubo niya dyan. Hindi siya masyado dyan aarawan. This one, I like to put this out. Ang ganda na niya. Okay. Ito masyadong mataas na siya. Hello. Ganda mo siya dyan. Some plants like where she was transferred like this one. Gusto niya dyan kay Mama Mary. Hello. King Kong. Diabetes plant. Mga ano to, pechay, seedlings. Papaya. Para siyang buto ng Word of God. Kung saan mo ihahasik, tutubo. Okay, thank you for watching.